This video is going to show how to do a dilation of an image, in which this image is a triangle. It could be a straight line, it could be an angle, but whatever the case is, we're going to do it with a scale factor of something. This video, the example that is shown is 3/5. So I'm going to look at my image, which is this triangle, and so I'm going to look at my ordered pairs of the points that are given. So I'm looking at this point, this bottom one down here. We'll call that A. Alright, and A is, that ordered pair is 5, comma 5. We'll look at this next one up top. That one, let's call that B. And B is 5, comma 10. And our last point, this one down here, is C. Alright, and C is 10, comma 5. So when looking at these, I'm going to take it to a scale factor of 3/5. So let's do, starting with A, we have 3/5, and I'm going to multiply that by each one of our ordered pairs, or of the x and the y. So 3/5 times 5, and then obviously I'm going to do it to the y, and I've got 5. I'm going to multiply that also by 3/5. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 over 5 is 3. And since this 5 is the same for our y, the answer is going to be 3, comma 3, and that is actually going to turn into what's called is A prime. So if we do the same thing for B, its ordered pair is 5, comma 10, so 5, comma 10, and obviously since I just did A and 5 turned into 3, I'm not going to do all that work again. So 3 is going to be my new x, and 10, well, 10 over 1 times 3/5. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 over 5, I get 6. So my new ordered pair is 3, comma 6. That is going to equal B prime. My last ordered pair is C, and C, its ordered pair was 10, comma 5. Well, I just did B, which was 5, comma 10, so really it's just going to be turned the other way, 6, comma 3. But the way I would do it would be I'd multiply my x times my factor of 3/5, and I get, so 10 times 3 is 30, divided by 5 I get 6. For my y is 5, so 5 times 3 is 15, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So my new ordered pair for C is, or C prime is 6, comma 3. So if I look at my final answer of I need to plot that point, let me get rid of points in here. So if I look at this, I'm going to plot my new point. So I have my first ordered pair is A. A prime is 3, comma 3. So I'm going to 3, comma 3, and I plot my new point. B is 3, comma 6. So 3, comma 6. New one right there. And C was 6, comma 3. That's my new one. So after doing that, I take my line and I'm going to draw my lines to connect it all. And that would be your final answer of moving a dilation with a scale factor of 3/5. So you do the same thing, whether it's 2, you'd multiply by 2. If it was a scale factor of 3 over 4, you'd multiply by 3, then divide by 4. So you just do that to each one of your x and your y's. That's how you do a dilation. Good luck.